Simplify the Boolean function using two variable K map. For function is f a comma b, a b are variable, and function is sigma m 1 and 3, 1 comma 3. So these are the terms of, so v a and b. Value of a can be 0 1, can be 0 1. So these boxes are, this is m0, we are given term 1 and 3. So this is term is m0, m1, m2, m3. So m0, m1. So here is 1, and m2, m3. Here is 1. So these boxes are, this represents m0, this represents m1, m2, and m3. So these are filled. So as you know, for solving K-map, K-maps ਨੂੰ solve ਕਰਨ ਵਾਸਤੇ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਇਸ ਦੇ pairs, ਮਤਲਬ ਕਿ we have to make either octet or quad or pair. So ਇਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਸਿਰਫ ਦੋ ਹੀ ਵੈਲਿਊਜ਼ ਨੇ, ਸੋ ਇਹਦਾ ਮੈਕਸਿਮਮ ਵੱਧ ਤੋਂ ਵੱਧ ਅਸੀਂ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਹੈਗਾ ਪੇਅਰ ਬਣਾ ਸਕਦੇ ਹਾਂ. So we will make pair of these two values, and the function we will get is f is equal to, ਜੇਕਰ ਅਸੀਂ ਇਸ ਪੇਅਰ ਨੂੰ ਦੇਖਦੇ ਹੈਗੇ ਹਾਂ ਤੇ we see the value of a for this pair changes from 0 to 1, so it is not constant, so a variable will not come in this final Boolean function. So in this case we see that both these values have a common value of b, that is 1. So 1 is common to this and common to this. So here value of b is 1, so we will write it as b. So this is the solution of this two variable function fab sigma m13. So similarly we will try to solve this next. Simplify following Boolean function of three variable Karnaugh map. So three variable Karnaugh map, we will make three variable Karnaugh map. For making this we need 8 boxes, and for 8 boxes we will draw, this is A, this is BC. For value of A is 0 1, and value of B C is 0 0 0 1 and 1 0 and 1 1. So the terms here is m0, m1, m2, m3, m4, m5, m6, m7. So always keep in mind that we have to write 0 0 0 1, then 1 0 comes here, and after that 1 1 comes here, so that there is only single bit change from one box to another box, only single bit change. So we are given values 1 2 3 5 7. 1 means here 1 2, 2 is here, 3 5, 3 is here, 5 is here, and 7 is here. Now octet is not possible because we have only 5 values, so we will try to make, instead of octet we will make quad of these variables, and this one is left, we will pair it with this. So keep in mind that हम एक वैल्यू को, एक जो हमारे पास बॉक्स है, इसको दो के साथ भी यूज़ कर सकते हैं. ये इस क्वाड में भी है, ये 4 का हमने जो किया क्वाड करा उसमें भी है, और ये इसके साथ ये सिंगल रह गया था. वी ट्राई टू eliminate singles, we want at quad or at least pair, so we paired these two. So हम इसको डबल कर सकते हैं, इधर क्वाड में भी ये आएगा और इसमें पेयर में भी आएगा. हमने कोशिश करनी है कि कोई भी सिंगल मत छोड़ा जाए. सो फाइनल फंक्शन जो है हमारी वो क्या आएगी, f is equal to, you say this quad is with us. For this quad, value of a is 0 and 1, so value of a is changing. Here it is 0, here it is 1, so we want to take a. For this for BC, value of B is 0 here and 1 here, so it is changing. We want to take B, and value of C is constant, 1 here and 1. We will take C, and for these two the value of A is the value of A is 0. It means 0 A बाहर आएगा. और for this the value of B is 1 here and 1 here, so B will come. Value of C is 1 or 0. Here is 1 and here is 0, because these two we are seeing this pair. So value of C is changing, so won't consider C. So this will be the final simplified Boolean equation. So this is a 3 variable. Similarly, we will make a 4 variable K map. For 4 variable K map, we need 16 boxes. So A, B, C, D. So value of A, B is 0, 0, 0, 1. Here 1, 0, then 1, 1. 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, and then 1, 1. So this represent M0. This is M1, M2, and M3, M4, M5, M6, M7. Then goes to this box, M8, M9, M10, M11, then M12, M13, M14, and M15. So because we know that 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, so first comes this, then this. Similarly, first come this, then this. So values are 0. For 0 we will put 1 here. For 2 we will put 1 here. For 5, 7, 5 and 7. For 8, 10, 13, 8, 10, 13, and 15. 15 is this. So these are the we have 1 here, 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 here. First of all, we want to make octet, means 8 together, but it's not possible. 8 are not together, so we will try to make 4. So 4 is possible. We will move 4 or quad. We make this quad. Then we have these 4 at corners. So these 4 at corners also make a quad, because this, this and this. Because ये जो है बॉक्स हमारा टेबल, हम इसको राउंड मानते हैं. ये साइडों से भी जुड़ता है और ऊपर नीचे से भी राउंड. इसको दोनों तरफ से राउंड मानोगे, और ऐसे ये आपको ये कॉर्नर वाले भी 4 के 4 एक साथ ही मिलेंगे, सभी के सभी. सो इसकी इक्वेशन जो फाइनल इक्वेशन बनती है हमारे पास f की, वो हम लिखने की कोशिश करते हैं. सो इसके लिए जो इधर है, ये क्वाड के लिए इधर है, वैल्यू ऑफ a चेंजेस फ्रॉम 0 to 1 and वैल्यू ऑफ b is 1 and 1. It is same for both for this quad. 1 is here and 1 is here, so we will take b. And in this side, value of c changes from 0 to 1 and value of d is 1, 1 in both, so we will take d, b, d in this term, plus. सो इन 4 का हम देखते हैं कि ए बी के लिए इनकी वैल्यू, ए की वैल्यू 0 से 1 चेंज हो रही है, बी की वैल्यू 0 0 रह रही है। सो बी बार वैल्यू, बी की वैल्यू 0 है, सो आएगा बी बार। और इस तरफ पे हम देखते हैं सी डी की वैल्यू, सी की वैल्यू 0 है, यहाँ पे 1 हो रही है, डी की वैल्यू 0 है, यहाँ पे 0 रह रही है। सो दिस विल बी डी बार। So this is the equation which we have simplified the given equation into. So this is simplified equation, B D B bar D bar. So this is the way how we can simplify equations using K maps. Thank you.